Hey guys, how's it going? It's BeastlyBot here. I haven't recorded a video in a while, so I'm back and I am ready. Today, sort of, maybe. But anyways, that's not important. Today we are playing Stumble, guys. You all may have seen it. It's pretty much just mobile Fall Guys, you could call it. Pretty much just Fall Guys on your phone. Stumble, guys. Free. Anyways, let's do this. Okay, first, yes, I have played this game before. That's. Anyways, that is why I have. Anyways, but now that is why I have the skin and everything. I haven't played that much of it. I don't know, if you like Fall Guys and you're heavenly addicted to it or whatever, then you would like this game. Pretty much Fall Guys on your phone, as I already said. Except it's easier to get skins and stuff. What is this little man doing? I got this shark dude. Okay, and there's the first round. So I haven't really been uploading. I forget a lot. That's why my last video was nearly a year ago. We don't talk about that, okay? Okay, next one, Cannon Climb. Yeah, but I don't know, I didn't know what to do today, so I was just bored. I forgot that I had a YouTube channel. Anyways, I guess I will be back to recording. I have no idea if I will be back to like a normal regular recording schedule, like usually like daily, or at least like more than once a month, like 2 or 3 times a month, rather than you know, like once a year or something. Okay, well, that was quite easy, I guess. Time to see what the last round is. Laser Tracer. Avoid the lasers, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just gotta kind of just jump over the lasers, as one does. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Jesus Christ, there's so many lasers. Okay, yeah, I'm just... Ooh. Ooh. Okay, well, this definitely gets progressively harder. Ooh. How am I still alive? Here goes that dude. It's me and this guy. Okay, well, looks like I lost a good game, I guess, to whoever won. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that, because I'm just gonna butcher it. So that dude, y'all can read it here. That. Okay. Stumble past, what the heck's... Okay. Wait, yeah, free prizes. Or we could get a rare skin. Or something. Oh, that's a pretty cool skin. Sure, I equipped it. 25. Oh, party. Oh yeah, yeah, if you all want me to play more like Stumble Guys, or you all want me to suggest a game, I could definitely see if I could like try and play it. So yeah, so say you want me to play this game like Gaming Werewolf or someone like that, or say I want to play with like one of you guys, and boom, you know, you all could just like tell me. I could see if I could get you. I'm not that big, so it's not like it's gonna be a very rare chance I'm not gonna see your like comment or something. Like, 'cause I'm quite a small YouTuber. Okay, this one has ice physics. I hate ice physics. And I like ice, like, theme, like, maps and everything. I think that, like, snow and, like, mountain themed, like, levels and stuff looks beautiful. It's the ice controls, though. To be honest, I'd rather take a water level than an ice level. Only because at least water levels, yeah, sure, it may be slow paced, but at least you actually have control of where you're going. For the most part. Okay, and I have no idea how I just did that, but I did. That should not have taken that long, but like I said, I'm not that good at this game. Yeah, we got 2 alien dudes in here. Okay, let's see what's next. Space race. Okay, so now we're in space. Okay, so yeah, just like the ice one where we got ice physics. In this one we have 0 gravity, if you want to call it that. Christ, I'm losing my voice. Not even that old. Not sure why I kind of just said that. At least I'm not like one of those people who say, back in my day. Anyways, as I was saying, back in my day. I'm not that old. I'm not. Okay, well, that didn't work. Okay. Yeah, something tells me that I'm not beating this. And definitely not. Okay. Between all these little men. No! No! Oh, wow, that was okay, well, I lost. I would say I would stay in spectating. I don't think that you guys just want to watch spectating, so, you know. Okay, guys. So now it may look like I'm playing Subway Surfers. First off, we have to log in. And yes, I am a 65-year-old man playing Subway Surfers. Don't judge me. No thanks. Christ, what did I just do? Anyways, as you can see, this is very cursed. Yeah, this is very cursed. Oh, what the? What the heck is going on? I'm playing as Sonic in Subway Surfers, riding a Captain America shield. Okay, you know what? I thought that this game was gonna be, this mod would be at least sort of normal. I missed that jump, and it doesn't matter, but I missed it. Wait, hold on, I'm just gonna die real quick, because I want to see everything that they have. Yay, I got a new high score. Okay, first off, does no one see the amount of money I have? Just look at that. Wait. Let's see. Oh crap. What is this? Oh boy, I can't wait to play as Purple Hulk. Or why is Mario or blue and purple Iron Man? Whoopity doo. What the heck are these? I guess I could just get them. Like that. Boy, I have orange Huggy Wuggy. Wait, is that something in his mouth? There is! What is that? Whoopity doo. Wait, do they have the yellow spider? Oh, I'm kind of depressed now because they don't have the yellow Spider-Man. Okay, then we got Luffy. Okay. Then we have the man himself, SpongeBob. Oh, do they have Patrick here? Oh, Patrick. Yet they have Burger King. Burger King. Well, then we could buy Groot. And, apparently Goth outfit Groot. There's really no plan on buying any of it. Oh, wait, I don't want to buy you. Then we got Naruto. Inside of... Then again, all these fits don't matter. Wait, you don't have any different fits, so I'm just not gonna buy any. How about you? Captain America does not have any different fits. Hulk, on the other hand. Hulk be looking extra smexy. Then we got the zombie from Plants vs. Zombies. Yeah, no, we'll turn it off. It's same with Mario. And, Iron Man. Still no yellow Spider-Man, so I gave this game a rating of 2 out of 10. Yeah, really, that's it. Who should I play as? SpongeBob. Oh wait, hold on, the boards! I forgot about the boards! Wow, is that the only, like, modded board that they have? Is the Captain America shield? Upgrades, no point to them. What does this do? Ooh. 6 coin. Okay, now we're playing a SpongeBob. Let's do this. 1 coin. Yeah, Subway Surfers, but it's cursed, I guess that you could call this. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention. Let me just pause it real quick. Shout out to JoJoy for creating this beautiful mod. 'Cause, you know, what would we do without Subway Surfers with SpongeBob, Sonic, and everyone else that you could have ever imagined? What would the world do? Nothing. No one can live without SpongeBob inside of Subway Surfers. Also, where did I get this hoverboard from anyways? I might have to check like the like while editing this video. I have to check because I don't remember ever getting a hoverboard from anywhere. Yeah, but pretty much besides the character models and the hoverboard. Okay, well, until that rude train got into the way, and besides this Captain America shield hoverboard, well, it's just normal Subway Surfers, along with you being able to do that, and just ascend into the heavens, as one does. Oh wait, hold on. I wonder, do they have that glitch? Do have to find a moving train though. Oh, it didn't work out of the hoverboard. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then we quit. They do! Okay, guys, well, anyways, this is the glitch thing I was talking about where it just turns your character model invisible. I have no idea where I'm at right now, but you know what? Yeah, you really become really invisible. The hoverboards don't even give you, like, a boost of speed like they usually do. They give you a boost of speed? I don't know. Maybe they do. Maybe they don't. I don't know. Yeah, pretty much like I said, it's just Subway Surfers, but it's modded with a whole bunch of crap. And other than it being modded, it's just normal Subway Surfers. Like, really, like, with, like, people like Huggy Wuggy, Spider-Man, Luffy, SpongeBob, Groot, Naruto, Sonic, Princess Peach, the Hulk, the zombie from Plants vs. Zombies. You get it. So yeah, on to another game, I guess. Okay, guys, so I'm inside the next game, and as you can see, I'm not sure what to call it exactly. Like, don't have to call it a horror game, or if to call it, I don't know. They said you could either be one of these loser people, or you could be a survivor. I kind of want to be a survivor, because, you know. So, I haven't really played that much of this game, so no, I don't feel like watching a video. So I think that might be online, even though that says waiting for players, but these might be bots also. Gosh, I hate games that use fake multiplayer. Or it's just like a but anyways, where it's just like a fake bot, where it's just like a fake players, but in all reality it's just bots. Okay, so now it's basically just like a tower defense game, but except it's different, because one, you're getting hunted down by that little man, right? This little man right here, and yeah, pretty much you have to, you know. Oh crap! I'm getting attacked and I didn't even know. Yo, I got no angel shield. 30, yeah, sure, I have nothing left to lose. Okay, well, I mean, we sort of cheated, you could say, but you know what? We got rid of it. Level 3. Okay, I might play as the thing that tries to hunt you down next round. Only because I want to see what it's like. Look at this dude's defense. Basically just like mine, but worse and better. Only because he has that, looks to be like a fire alarm. Like right there. Don't know what it is. Okay, I could upgrade my towers. Ooh, I might just upgrade the bed. 4 gold per second. Okay, yeah. Yeah, now I can get things a lot quicker. Oh, someone's getting attacked. Oh, yeah, it's this dude. Wait, he just upgraded his bed. Okay. That's looking like a pretty good defense. But I'm gonna need more towers. Oh crap, he's back for more. Yeah, I'm done. I guess I could get it again. It's sort of cheating, but I don't care. I'm trying to lose. Okay, well, he's gone. Okay, so now, after he's gone, why doesn't he attack this dude? This dude has, like... How is this dude making more? Oh, wait, that could... Okay, I can honestly understand how he's making more money. What level even is that? Oh, well, someone's dead. I'm gone. Deceased. Oofed, if you will. Oh, well, there goes the second person. He's going for me again! Oh, wait, he's almost gone. I'm trying to keep this video up and not down. Yeah. Yeah, I can't do anything. Spoon. No! Alright, guys. Sorry, an ad just played for State of Survival. Not a sponsor of this video. And you all may know them for oh, what? I can't even be the thing. Anyways, that's probably where I'm gonna end it off with this video, guys. Talent. Anyways, but that's where I'm probably gonna end it off this video. Anyways, if you all enjoyed it, remember to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And leave a comment on what game you want me to play next, on if it's Roblox or anything like that. But other than that, have a great day, and bye.